Welcome to week 2 of the Active State SLSA Software Attestation Early Access Program. If you did not already do week 1, please go back and do that as this builds on that work. So we assume we already have an account and we already have a project, so I've gone ahead and signed in on the other tab. Once again, I'm going to have to open up the GraphQL and a new tab. And then I'm going to have to copy this into the GraphQL tab. And then I need to, again, this is my org name, this is my project name, but it's easier to copy up here from the URL bar. So I'm going to copy that. You're usually probably going to end up on the overview page here, but the history page is what's going to have the commit IDs. So I will copy in my organization name, project name, got to keep the quotes in there, and I need to grab a specific commit ID. I can grab any one that I want, and I'll put that in here. Again, you need to keep the quotes there. And right now it says the attestation that we're getting is the SLSA provenance. So I hit the little play button up here. Over here, it gives me all of the sources that went into building my artifact and their provenance documentation. I go all the way down to the bottom here. I've got my camel installer file, so let's grab that. I've already installed on my web browser an extension to make JSON pretty. Otherwise, you can use like JSON lint or anything else that you want. You can see that up here it's signed. And then here's a copy of the same stuff that is in the payload up here in a human readable format. You can decode this if you want. It'll be exactly identical. And it tells you about what went into building this artifact for you. And you can see that this is a in toto formatted statement for provenance of the artifact that you get as part of your project. So if I were to go here into overview and download this, that is what I got. This is the software attestation for this artifact bundle right here. So go ahead, take a look at these and let us know what you think by taking the survey that is linked at the end of the email. If you do the survey each week, then you'll be eligible for the $100 Amazon gift card, which will be given out randomly to 5 people. We've also got some swag to give away, and everyone who participates and does all the surveys will get 12 months free of the software attestations.